Today I have a play idea for you for those rainy afternoons, those grey days where everybody, and even the dog, is getting a little bit bored. And for this you need window film and scissors. I'm using these bright coloured stained glass sheets from a company called Broom, and they're £2.50 each, so very affordable. And all you have to do is cut them into shapes. As you can see, we're very cozy here with some music on, and we're cutting them into triangles and circles, whatever shape you like. And this is great for your child to participate in too. And when you have a variety of shapes, it's time to start sticking them onto the window. I'm using my sliding door because the area is just so big and fun to work on. And you simply peel off the backing and stick the window film onto your glass. You can just do shapes, you can write flowers, make little cityscapes or even people. It is so much fun to do, and you can keep rearranging and making different little scenarios. And when we finished taking all our shapes on, of course the sun came out. That was really nice as well, because when the sun hits through the glass and through the colors, you get these really nice colorful shapes on the floor. I hope you like this idea, so next time you have a rainy weekend, you got something fun to do.